With so many choices in the IELTS Terminators range of courses, it's refreshing to see one that is really very straightforward. The Bronze IELTS Speaking course is designed for independent, self-motivated learners with a solid intermediate level of English ability. It consists of only Dr. Ray's workbook of 20 chapters. Each chapter deals with one of the common IELTS exam topics, and the book is filled with strategies that actually work. This is the very same book that is used in the more expensive courses to accompany the videos and face-to-face lessons. If you have a good deal of self-confidence, and the ability to study alone, then this may be the affordable alternative for you. There are no face-to-face lessons or videos at this level, but if the self-study gets too difficult, you can easily upgrade, and use a credit for what you paid for this bronze course. Our aim is to give you the training you can use. Not useless fillers that waste your time and money.